Now that you have a good handle on the preferences and keyboard shortcuts and how you can configure Premiere Pro to best suit your editing habits, you may want to synchronize your settings to your Creative Cloud account. That way, if you're working on Premiere on a different machine, you'll have those settings available to you. So how can you synchronize your settings? Well, there's two options, really. You'll notice here, down towards the bottom left corner of the interface, there's a little Creative Cloud icon. And if you hover over it, a tooltip will appear that reads Sync Settings. And if you click on it, you get a menu of options. Those same options are available under the Premiere Pro menu or the Edit menu on the Windows side. And you can choose Sync Settings. And you have a couple different options. You can sync to a different Creative Cloud account, or you can manage your sync settings, or you can manage your Creative Cloud account. Now, if you choose this last option, it's just going to bring you to the creative.adobe.com website where you can log in as usual. Again, if we come back to this menu and from the sync settings, we choose Manage Sync Settings, what that's going to do is bring you to a specific location within the Preferences dialog box. And here, you can specify what settings you want to sync to the Creative Cloud. Again, I'll go ahead and cancel out of this. Let's return back to that menu, and here, from Sync Settings, what we can do is choose Sync Settings Now. Now, when you choose this, you probably have to log in to your Creative Cloud account using your Adobe ID. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. And once I click OK, a dialog box will appear saying that Premiere must close the current project to download and apply these settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK. The project will close out. The settings will synchronize, which will just take a moment, and Premiere Pro will reopen. And so once your settings are done synchronizing, if you ever make a change to your preferences, you'll have the option, if you synchronize again, to either upload the changes that you've made, or you can download a fresh copy of the settings from the Creative Cloud. So that's how you can easily manage your preferences across multiple devices. You simply have to synchronize your preferences to the Creative Cloud.